Hello everyone, this is Afi Design Studios. In this video, we shall be learning how to apply the color fill legend on our floor plans. But one may ask, what is the essence of applying the color fill legends on the floor plans? This is to beautify the floor plans for the purposes of presentation. Most times when you want to present your floor plans to your clients, you want them to look very beautiful and appealing. It is advised that you make your floor plans in colors. I know nobody who doesn't like colors. So having said that, the first thing we should do is to make sure we are on the appropriate level, which is in this case ground floor level. So I go here under my project browser 02, I double click on ground floor plan, and the ground floor plan is going to appear. The second thing you are going to do is to make sure that you tag your rooms. Your rooms should have names. If at this stage you have not tagged your rooms or labeled your rooms, you are advised to do that first before proceeding to do the color fill exercise. So having said that, the next thing you do is to go to annotate, click on annotate, then come here at the right hand side of the top of your screen. You will see this color fill panel, then select this very one, color fill legend. Click on it. Once you have done that, I assure you, your cursor is going to have a box at the tip of the cursor with some letters written against it. So what we are expected to do at this point is to click on a free space or an open space like this one we have here. Click somewhere there. A dialog box like this one is going to appear. Once this dialog box appears, you are going to see space type. Against it, you are going to see space and click on this arrow here and select rooms. After doing that, go to color schemes. Against the color scheme, there is a box and you will see department inside of it. Then click on this arrow and select name. After doing that, select OK. Give it some time. After a while, you are going to see the colors appear on the various rooms. But you may not like some of the colors presented or suggested to you by Revit. So you have the freedom and the liberty to also select your own colors. So how do you do that? You come here, room legend, click on the room legend, then go here, edit scheme, click on edit scheme, and this dialog box is going to come out. Once this dialog box comes out, it is going to show you all the rooms that you have in the project. All the rooms in this project are here, but we are focusing on the ground floor plan at this moment. So I'm going to go to shop number 1 and click on this color and select another color. Let me say orange. I select orange and click OK. Then I come to the shop number 2, I click on this, and I may want to select this ash color here, select the ash color and click OK. Then I may come to the veranda and click on this color and select, let me say green. I select this green and click OK. But then let me also go further to let you know that it is not only solid fill that you can apply. You can also apply a hash. But before I do that, I want to take us to the floor plan to see what we have before I apply the hash pattern. So I click OK. Then I come here. So this is what we have. You can see everything is solid fill. Everything is filled up solidly. But I want to apply a hash or hashing. I want to apply hash pattern here. So how do I do that? I go to legend again, click on legend, click on edit scheme, then I come here. That space is the veranda. I come to this point where you have fill pattern. If you look through this, you see every one of them is solid fill. But I want to change this to a hash. Then I click here and click on the very arrow beside it. Then I want to apply diagonal cross hashing, diagonal cross hashing, diagonal cross, okay, diagonal cross hash 1.5 millimeters. I click on this, then I click OK. You can see this is no longer solid fill, but it is now hash. Having done this, I click outside, then I move over to the first floor level. I come here, I go to first floor, then I have this. I'm going to repeat the same procedure. I go here and click on color fill legend. I bring this here and drop it here. I come here and select rooms. I go here and select name. Then I come here and click OK. Then I'm going to have something like this. Then I would want to change this to hash again. Then I go to room legends and go to edit scheme. Then I come to toilets. Then I come here and click on this and click on this arrow and select this time around not diagonal but just plain cross hash 1.5 cross hash 1.5 millimeters. Then I would want to change the bedroom color. This I would change this to this and click OK. What next? Okay. The kitchen, I would want to change it to a hash as well, but before that I would change the color to what now? I change it to this and click on OK. But before that, I'm going to go here and select this is kitchen. I'm going to make it diagonal. Something else. Let's make it what now? Let's just make it cross hash. This is bigger than this very one. Having done that, I'm going to click OK. So you can see what we have here. Now, don't be surprised that these two rooms are having the same color. They are having the same color because they have the same name. This is bedroom and this is bedroom. That's why they have the same color. This is balcony and this is balcony, and they have the same color. And this is toilet and this is toilet. So any room that has the same name with another, they are going to have the same property. Having said that, there is something I want to do. This very color, if you feel it is too dark for you, you can lighten it up. How do you do that? We go back to room legend and go back to edit scheme. That is the bedroom. Then you can click on the color again and come here and reduce it. You can reduce the color here or you can increase it here. But I want it reduced. I click here. Then no, it's too light. I click here. Okay. Then I click OK. Then I say OK again. Then you can see it has lightened up. So this is how to apply the color fill. And I tell you, if you are able to mix very fantastic colors on your floor plan, your clients will be most amazed and will be so impressed. So that is why I advise every architect or every designer to always go for the color fill in their design. It is going to help you. So the last thing I'm going to show us in this very tutorial is how to create your room schedule. How to create your room schedule. For example, when you want to do a cost estimate, how do you do that? The first thing you should do to create it is to come to your properties palette here and scroll down to properties. Okay, go to project browser. Go to project browser. Okay, project browser. You will see these schedules quantities. Right click on it, then select new schedule quantities. Then you come here, you will see category. Under this category, you scroll down to rooms. Here is rooms. Click on rooms and come here for name. Make sure you leave it at room schedule because actually you are trying to create your room schedule. The next thing you come to face, it is asking you the face of the project. I would advise you to select new new construction if it is a new project, but in some cases you can also select existing projects. So I select new construction because most of the projects are always new constructions, most of them. So having said this, the next thing you do is to click OK. Once you click OK, you come here again, available fields. Under available fields, you are going to select the items that are going to be used as your parameter in quantifying your rooms. So the number one item or parameter I will choose is the area. I double click on it and it's going to appear here. Then I move down again. In real-time projects, you may also want to select ceiling finish and floor finish. But this is just a tutorial. I wouldn't go into that for now. I'm just giving you the procedure. So it's up to you. Whatsoever you feel like to add in quantifying or costing your room, you are free to add them up. So the next thing I'm going to select now is the name. I'm going to go to name and double click on name and it's going to appear here. Then I'll go to perimeter, then double click on perimeter. Then the perimeter is going to appear here. Then I'm going to click OK. Once I click OK, the room schedule is going to appear here. You will see all the areas of the various rooms. I will see the names of the various rooms, but you can see that this looks odd. The names are supposed to come first before the areas. So how do you switch this or switch the items? To do that, you should go to properties, and you go scroll down, you see fields. Under fields, you will see edit. Click on this edit. Then once you click on edit, you come here, you click on name. Click on this name. Then under, at the bottom of this very square, you will see these two arrows. One is pointing up, one is pointing down. If you want it to go up, click on this very one. If you want it to go down, click on this one. But I want it to go up so that it will become the first column. So I click on this and then we go up. Then I click OK. Then you can see it. The name comes first, followed by the area, then followed by the perimeter. So this is how to create the room schedule and how to create the color fill legend for your project. I hope this very video has been of help and useful to you. Do not fail to subscribe to Outfit Design Studios channel and also like our videos and turn on the notification button so that each time we release a video such as this very one, you would be the first person to know about it. Thank you and bye.